Hello everybody. We are going to do the draw now for the big prize pack, and through the generosity of our vendors and suppliers, we actually have been able to put together 7 different big prize packs. So there are going to be 7 different winners. Alright, so again, we're going to do this 7 times, and as you win, you'll get removed from this wheel. Now, there were different ways for you to earn entries to this, and some of the ways was it earned you 3 entries, or 2 entries, or 1 entry. So some of you might actually see your name on this list 3-4 times. And if anybody else is watching and you're wondering why, that's why. Because there was lots of ways to get your name in here. Alright, so let's go. Number 1 winner is Stuart Cullen. Awesome. Congratulations, Stuart. We will be in touch to arrange that. So we're going to remove you from the list and we'll go again. So that was 1. Winner number 2 is Andrew. Jeff, that was so close. All right, Andrew, congratulations, and we'll be in touch with you as well. Going to remove you here. Going for number 3, and number 3 is going to be Sarah Keys. Congratulations, Sarah. You worked hard to get your name on this list, and you are a winner. Love it. All right, let's remove you, and we're going for prize number 4. And prize number 4 is going to go to Karen Cullen. Wow, the 2 of you. All right, that is a winning household. Congratulations, and we'll be in touch with you guys. Remove you. So that was 4. So now we're going to go for number 5. Number 5 is Jeff. There you go. You were so close last time, but you got it this time. Congratulations. Number 6. I cannot believe how many prizes we have, you guys. We ended up with so many. Chris Roberts, congratulations. You did well to get your name on here too, so congratulations. That was number 6. And we'll remove you, and look at the rest of you. You are getting, there's less and less competition here. There is 1 more left. All right, let's go. This is for the big prize number 7. Dan Robinson. Congratulations, Dan. So for each of you, we also have the opportunity to get a code promotional code to a Pleasurecraft Operators card from My Boat Card. That was also donated. So the first 10 people for all of our door prizes, or for all of our prizes, first 10 of you get the chance to take one of those home. And so if you've already got your Pleasurecraft Operators card, good for you. But then if you can't use it, then you can pass it along to somebody who can. So certainly there's somebody in your family or friends that go out boating that really should have their card, or maybe one of your little ones, they're getting up there in age and they're almost ready to go boating. You're never too young. As long as you can show that competence and they can complete that test on their own, then they can earn it themselves. So if you don't need that code and you're one of the winners of that code, then please pass it along to make sure somebody else gets that PCOC for you as well. So we will be reaching out to every single one of you. And again, congratulations. Have a great day.